Beans are one of the popular sources of protein. It's a leguminous plant that are extremely nutritious and contains essential nutrients which serve different purposes to the proper growth of the body. In this video, I'm going to be making use of brown Nigeria beans. There are several types of brown beans, but this particular one is known as brown Nigerian beans, and it contains of carbohydrates, protein, and other nutrients. I have rinsed this and picked out the dirt from it, rinsed with lukewarm water, and I soaked it for 30 to an hour. I'm not going to peel off the peel, I'm just going to make of it. So if you like, you can choose to peel it off. You can see it's very easy to peel off after soaking it up to 30 to an hour. So in this video, I'm just going to rinse again with lukewarm water, and then I'll start the process. I want to welcome back all my returning subscribers. I want to say mega thank you. And if it's your first time coming across my channel and you haven't subscribed and you like this video you're watching, please don't hesitate to check on my previous videos and hit on the subscribe button. Click on the first bell, which is the notification bell. This will enable you get notified each time I upload a new video. To all my membership, thank you. And if you wish to join my membership, it is by clicking the blue button that says join, and it will take you to the next process. So as you can see, it's very easy to peel off, but I'm not going to peel this off. The reason is because I will be telling you that at the end of this video. So stay tuned. One day, don't wait, don't stay too far away. Somebody's gonna love me one day, don't wait, don't stay too far away. So after proper rinsing several times, just gonna transfer that into my blender, add in my seasoning cubes, scotch bonnet pepper, 1 whole onion, 1 raw egg. You can choose to add this after blending or not add it at all. This is totally optional. And I'll be using 1 red bell pepper, then I'll be adding water up to the level of the beans in the blender to enable it to blend easily and smooth. After blending, I'll just transfer that into a bowl and give it a good mix. You can choose to use your hand mixer for this process, okay? So I'm be adding 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish or powdered crayfish. The reason why I'm adding much crayfish is because I'm not going to be adding so much spice in this recipe. So the crayfish will just help, fill in those space of other mixed spices like curry, thyme, etc. So I add salt to taste, vegetable oil, and I'll give that a nice and good combination. In my baking bowl, I'll spray in some vegetable oil. You can choose to brush in some oil, vegetable oil, any oil of your type. So I will just go ahead and garnish that with some dried prawns and egg. I'm not really egg fan, so I'll just add two and just to garnish that, and I'll be placing that to my oven. But meanwhile, before I place that to my oven, you want to make sure you seal in the to cover with aluminium foil. This will help not to get the uh, moi moi or the pudding dried. So I have here a baking pan that is already spoiled. You can use a normal one, it doesn't change anything. I added in some water and I'll just place this under my oven, to help for a proper cook and to help the pudding moisturized. So I will bake this for 1 hour or 1 hour 20 minutes for 180 degree, depending on your oven. And after baking for such a time, this is how it looks like. This is the end result. You can see, because of the beans peel I didn't remove, you can see that it still appears in the pudding or the moi moi, but this tastes so good. And the reason why I didn't remove the peel was because it is necessary for you to remove the peel when you have difficult digestion, when you eat beans or when you make any recipe with beans. But for me, I don't have any digestion issues. That is why I decided not to remove it and just save myself the stress. So if you've watched it this time and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just one more reminder, please subscribe, hit on the notification bell. This will help you get notified whenever I have a new video. So you can serve this with rice, salad, spaghetti, any pasta of your choice. This is absolutely delicious. And feel free to always, adjust your ingredients according to your taste. So, thank you for watching up to this time, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Somebody's gonna find me one day. I don't stay too far away. Somebody's gonna love me.